Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this double-sided sled. I'm painting the bottom part with Pueblo by Folk Art and Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. Both of them are acrylic paints. I'm going to do a little mixture of both and then add ground cinnamon. I'm going to dry them thoroughly. And now I'm going to use Waverly chalk paint in the color Crimson as well as black chalk paint by Folk Art. I am going to do a mixture of both paints, adding just a little tiny bit of black paint just to give it like a darker burgundy red. I'm painting it on both sides, drying it well, and on the second sled I'm removing those bottom parts and painting it the same exact way with the same paints and the cinnamon. I'm going to add the supposedly metal parts, you know, the part that goes on the bottom of the sled on the opposite side. And you'll see why in a minute. Since I did take it apart, now I'm adding the other part to the front and the top part to the front. So now we have a double-sided sled. I'm going to add some of these wall tiles from Dollar Tree on one side. Okay, so that's how the bottom looks. And I'm going to paint it with a mixture of crimson and black paint that we made. Now I have this antique linen distress oxide. I just rubbed it all over. And I'm going to add a hanger with some rusty wire. I'm curling it just to give it a nice design. And I'm going to make a simple bow here with coffee stain laces and some fabric. I'm adding greenery to the center. I'm adding the bow, a rusty jingle bell from Hobby Lobby, and I'm making a tag with my stamp that says Feliz Navidad, which means Merry Christmas in Spanish. I'm using my bare wax to distress the tag, and I'm wrinkling it just to give it a vintage look. And this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already following me, go ahead and hit that follow button. I appreciate you being here. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.